Did it because I wanted to. Now here's the cookie. Now eat it. Sis, I want to take you on a picnic near the boiling lake. Sounds suspicious. I'm gonna go along with her just in case anything happens. I'm gonna be going along too. Okay, then it's settled. We're going to the boiling lake. But if anyone tries to push me in, they're getting their head chopped off. Okay. Let's go! I brought you a cake. My special treat for lunch today. And have you... So sis, what are you here for? Ain't it called a cake? Oh, whatever. Just eat it. Shall we execute anyone? No one's done anything. We're bored. Can't we kill someone? No one's done anything wrong. Got it. I'm totally fine. Now you two go on break. Okay, we'll just go hunt. What the heck? No! She's not okay. Need anything? No. Want me to cook you something? I am hungry. Good. Wait, let me cook it. Okay?